Serving over 20 years of tradition to the La Crosse community, the Pearl Ice Cream Parlor offers its homemade treats, hand-dipped confections, and over 20 different flavors of Grandpa Oscar's ice cream made right in-house, guaranteed to leave a smile on everybody's face. With Sunday shakes and old-fashioned phosphates, your sweet tooth will surely be satisfied. The delectable scent of freshly rolled waffle cones creates a cozy atmosphere. Our friendly staff, classic music, and vintage decor will make you feel as if you have wandered into a simpler time. The Pearl is located at 207 Pearl Street West. Become part of the tradition, the Pearl Ice Cream Parlor, where homemade makes the difference.